In this video, I'm going to show you how to create avatar on Instagram. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your Instagram and hit there on your profile icon, and next hit on these three lines icon and there select settings. Now here tap on account and there hit on avatar. Tap on Get Started and start creating avatar. You can select from that templates and you can do like that and hit on Personalize or start doing and creating that avatar from scratch. And now you are basically need to personalize your avatar to be it looks like you. So there you can select your body type, your skin tone. You can scroll down and select the skin tone you want. You can change hairstyle, hair color, face shape, face lines, eye shape, and a lot of different options. There you can full customize your avatar. Also you can select an outfit there, and once you finish you can hit done and hit OK to sync your avatar with your Facebook account if you wish to do that. I wish and I hit OK, and now my avatar is being updated. I have to wait for some couple of seconds, and after that hit next. And now that's it, my avatar was created. I can go back to my profile, hold down on my profile picture and there select use avatar. Here select a pose of that avatar and background, and after that I can hit done. And that's it. Now you see that my avatar is set as profile picture right here at my profile. That's how it works, guys. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.